Hello, everyone. This is Linda, and today is Wednesday. I hope you guys are having a great day. I thank you all for stopping by my channel, and to all my new subscribers, I thank you so much. And I just hope everyone is doing great today. Well, this is an update on my garlic. Yeah, garlic. Now these are some of my original garlics that I planted. You can see they are pretty big and stalky. A lot of them are the elephant garlic. But some of you garlic growers, check that out. Look at that. I don't know what's going on with that. Now that's just one clove, but it's like splitting into three. I have about one or two doing that. Now this guy here, these little guys, are just the ones that I went and purchased when I purchased that garlic jelly, and I bought that garlic. I just stuck some of those in there to eat now, and they're really growing really well. And of course, I have some of my tomato seedlings in here, and they doing well. They like it. And more of the original garlic. You know, a lot of them are lost from the squirrels, just digging stuff up, and I don't know if they were playing with it or what, I don't know, but you know. But anyway. Yeah, but some of these are just some of the ones that I just stuck in here from that, like this one here. Yeah, and that is just some tomato plants that I just stuck in there just to see if I can get some roots from that Creole tomato plant. Yeah. But anyway, that is my garlic. They are really big and healthy, and we'll see what they look like. This is the bed here with my blueberry bush. I had two. There's the root from the other. Don't know what happened. Just died. But I got one. But I need another one, so I'm going to get another one for it. But also in this bed, I planted, oh my goodness, maybe about 20 bulbs of gladiolas. Yeah, so you can see, here's one of them coming up here. They're coming on up. They're doing what they're supposed to do. Yeah, they're doing well. And so on this side of the bed, it will be gladiolas and blueberries, I guess. Yeah. And my sugar cane is doing very well, getting tall, kind of spreading its leaves, you know. I still only have this one, but you know, hey. The tomato plants are doing well. They're really putting on a lot of flowers, and I'm just letting them do their thing, you know. Yeah. And here is some more tomato plants I have, and I just put them in this bed just till they get a little big, and they are doing just that. And there's some here. They're really getting big, and I just did this one, so yeah, they're really looking nice. And I think about three in here. Four. There's four in here. Yeah. And the corn is doing what it's doing. And this is broccoli and romanesco in here. Maybe some cabbage too. You never know. So let's talk about my trellis. Yeah. So, you know, my two guys, Joseph, my son, and Keith, who is my son-in-law, they work every day, so they decided, you know, they were going to put the trellis up on a Saturday, and every Saturday it have rained. So I'm impatient. You know, when I want something, I just want it. So I kind of scrapped the trellis for this season and I put up 3 big teepees. So this one have peas on it. This one have nothing but cucumbers. And of course this one have my melitons. And back here I have some small, it's called small wonder spaghetti squash. They're small individual size. So those are on here. And here I have some beans, some like pole beans growing here. Yeah. So we're gonna, I had to move on to plan B, you know. So this is where I'm gonna plant all my squash for this season. Excuse me. I have a couple of seeds of butternut squash in here. I have some pumpkins, you know, all that squash stuff. Yeah. And I'm going to let it run with this little bed here. In this little bed, I'm going to put watermelons. Watermelons and melons. Just all melons going to go in there. So, yeah. So they all going to just love on each other. Yeah. But anyway, guys, I want to show you all something in-house. Yeah. But before I go, I wanted to show you all the flowers around the tree. And they are doing very well. And getting big. Look at these sunflowers. Yeah, they're getting really big. Everything is getting very nicely. But anyway, let's go inside. I am now inside. Yeah, I've been having a wonderful, wonderful morning. It's beautiful. It's not too hot. It's not too cold. It's very nice. And so, yeah, I'm going back out there. Yeah, as soon as I'm done. I got one more thing I need to just get together before I call it a day. Yeah. But I came in because I wanted to show you guys some gifts that I received. All right. Okay, now I showed you guys one of the gifts that I did receive the other day, and that gift was from Miss Saida from the Handmaiden, the domestic Handmaiden of Distinction, right? And she said, she wrote me a little note, and it says, "Greeting, Miss Linda. Please accept these garden goodies as a token of my love. If you don't have a need of them all, please feel free to share them out. Live victoriously in Christ, Saida, the domestic handmaiden of Distinction." I thank you, Miss Saida. So let me just show you some of the other things that she sent. I showed you guys this one. Yeah, which is really, really pretty. Yeah. But she also sent me this little friend here. Maybe like Kermit, maybe. Or maybe from Prince and Frog. Maybe so. And she sent me a frog. Whoa. Sorry about that, guys. A frog and a bird. Yeah. So those are going to go out on the fence, and the other two is going to go on the tree. Yeah. I'll show you guys what it looked like when I get out there. All right. But anyway, oh, she also sent me some Italian garlic. That's what this is, Italian garlic. Really cool. Thank you so much, Miss Saida. And, oh, she also sent me a little card here, but I'm going to keep this one. And I'm going to say I thank you so, so, so very much. The gifts are definitely going to be used in my garden. You will see them in and around my garden, okay? So the next card that I received is this one. Yeah, this is from Kara of Mama 4. Mama 4 sent me this here, and she says, let's see. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Oh, and thank you once again for the delicious king cake and the beads and the mask. Yeah, so if you all don't remember that Mama 4 won my giveaway of the New Orleans Antoine's king cake. Yeah. Also, she have on here is that I haven't been this grateful since I don't remember when. Kara, Marmar, Xavier, Carlton, and Mr. Skinny Legs, Carly. Maybe Miss Skinny Legs? Carly is the girl. Maybe. I don't know. I think Carly is the girl. But anyway, she says, sorry it's so late, Miss Linda, but that's okay. I love it. I love it. And you all are so welcome. And hopefully we can do it again soon. Yeah. So my last gift. Yeah. She never ceased to amaze me. But anyway, I'm just going to read some of the letter that she wrote to me. She says, Dear Linda, I thought about handwriting this note. However, I won't torture you with my chicken scratch. Me too. Me too. It says, Linda, in a nutshell, you are strength. You are grace. You possess every attribute that inspires women like myself to keep pushing. Thank you for being an extended part of the Tosh Time family. Yeah, Tosh Time. And it says, what a blessing it is. What a blessing it is to call you my friend. How sweet is that? Yeah, we hope you enjoy the mug, and God bless. Yeah, what? Yeah, what? Yeah, what? Yeah. I love it, Tosh. Thank you so much. Thank you. I see many people uploading videos about their Tosh Time mug. This is so awesome. I'm so grateful, and definitely, well, I've had like 2 cups of coffee this morning, so no, if I get another one, I'll be like this, but we ain't gonna do that. But in the morning, yeah, you and I got a date with some community coffee and chicory. That's the coffee of New Orleans. Yeah, so we're going to have some of that. But Tosh, I thank you so much. I thank you. And this is beautiful. Yeah, that's you right there. Awesome. All right, guys. I hope you all have a great, great Wednesday. I want to thank everyone. I want to thank Saida, Kara, Mama 4, and Tosh for all the beautiful gifts. I'm loving them. I'm loving them. I'm loving them. I thank you so much. I'm going to enjoy them all. Yeah. But anyway, I'm going to get back in my garden and yeah, soak in all this beautiful day I'm having here. So I hope you all have a great, great Wednesday. Later, y'all. I'm going to put Tosh, Miss Saida, and Mama 4. I'm going to put the link to their channel in the description box. Please go and check them out. If you are not a subscriber, please go check them out. Subscribe. You're going to love it. All right, guys. Later.